Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make mushroom soup without onion and garlic. Many people avoid these ingredients due to dietary sensitivities or personal preference. We'll focus on building deep, savory flavors using alternative techniques and ingredients. You'll be surprised at how incredibly rich and satisfying this soup can be, even without traditional aromatics. Get ready to create a truly delightful dish. For our delicious soup, start with about 1 pound of fresh mushrooms. Cremini or button varieties work wonderfully. Instead of onion and garlic, we'll use 1 cup of finely chopped leeks or celery to build our aromatic base. A 1/4 cup of fresh parsley or thyme will add a lovely herbaceous touch. And of course, a high-quality vegetable broth, about 4 cups, is essential for a rich, savory foundation. Begin by sautéing your sliced mushrooms in 2 tablespoons of olive oil over medium-high heat until they are beautifully browned and have released their moisture. Next, add your chopped leeks or celery and cook them until tender, about 5 minutes. Deglaze the pot with a 1/4 cup of dry white wine or a bit more broth. Then, add the remaining broth and herbs, simmering for 20 to 25 minutes. To achieve a luxurious texture, carefully blend about 1/3 of the soup until smooth, then return it to the pot. Taste and adjust the seasoning with salt and freshly ground black pepper to your liking. For an extra creamy finish, stir in about 1/2 cup of dairy-free cream or full-fat coconut milk. Serve your exquisite mushroom soup warm, perhaps garnished with fresh parsley or a few drops of truffle oil. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.